Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have a market researcher selecting 200 people from a group who indicated that they liked a certain book. These 200 people were shown a movie based on the book, and then they were asked whether they liked or disliked the movie. And of those surveyed, 95% said they disliked the movie. And we're asked which of the following inferences can be appropriately drawn from the survey result. So, A, we have at least 95% of the people who go to see the movie will dislike the movie. The problem with this is not even thinking about whether it lines up with what we just heard. Saying at least 95% will dislike it is too definitive of a statement for a conclusion of a survey, right? We could say, okay, we would expect the larger population to follow the same rules, so maybe it would be approximately 95%, but we can't say at least 95% will. So A is not the answer. Similar thing with B, at least 95% will dislike it. Don't even have to worry about the other issues with it. You see will dislike with at least 95%, right? At least might seem like it's a sort of wishy-washy thing, but at least means greater than or equal to 95%. So this is a hard boundary, and we cannot have that when we're drawing a conclusion from a survey. What we can say is that, okay, 95% said they dislike the movie, most people will dislike the movie. That's not what C is saying. C is saying most people who dislike the book will like this movie. We weren't looking at people who disliked the book, we were looking at people who liked the book. So any conclusions we draw have to be about people who liked the book. So we can't do C. So D says most people, so we're off to a good start. It's not making a hard set line at greater than or equal to 95%. It's saying most people, which is good, who like this book, good, that is the group we're talking about, will dislike the movie. And yes, that is what we would expect. We surveyed and got 95% disliking, so we would expect in the greater group that most people who like the book will dislike the movie, which means D is going to be your answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.